Did you know performing arm workouts can not only help burn calories and contribute to weight loss, but also enhance athletic performance, increase bone density, and even improve posture? Today in Follow the Fives, I'm going to show you 5 arm workouts that you can do at home without any equipment. Let's get started. First up, arm circles. Stand tall with your arms straight out to your sides and your muscles contracted down the length of your arm. Slowly make circles with your arms by rotating them around your shoulders while keeping them straight and your elbows locked with tension. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions in both directions. That was easy, right? Now let's try some simple wall push-ups. Stand about 3 feet away from a wall, facing the wall with your feet shoulder width apart. Lean forward and place your hands flat on the wall in line with your shoulders. Your body should be in plank position with your spine straight, not sagging or arched. Lower your body towards the wall and then push back. Repeat 10 times. Number 3. Plank tap. Begin in a push-up plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your arms straight. Keep your spine neutral. To make the exercise more challenging, keep your feet together. To make it easier, widen your feet. Bring your left hand up to your right shoulder and tap it before returning your hand to the floor. Repeat with your right hand and left shoulder. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions on each side. Number 4. Push-ups. To do a push-up, lie face down on the ground. Put your hands on the ground, palms flat with your arms out at your sides and your hands shoulder width apart. Slowly push your body up until your arms are fully extended. Keep your back and legs straight so that your body makes a straight line. Slowly lower yourself back down until your nose nearly touches the floor. Repeat as many times as you feel comfortable. Number 5. Arm slide. Kneel with your hands on both sliders. Engage your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine and tighten your abs. Keeping your spine straight and your core engaged, slowly slide your arms in front of you to get your chest close to the ground. Pull your arms back in towards your knees and return to your starting position without bending your elbows. Throughout the movement, make sure you're focused on keeping your core engaged and your back straight. Okay guys, remember, strong arms can assist in other exercises too, and it can help with everyday activities like carrying groceries or lifting heavy objects. So make sure you do it right. Don't forget to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what's right for you. Which exercise did you find challenging? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.